Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the credit card to your Vinted account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it opens up in the home menu, but from here we have to go into the profile menu. And in the profile menu, we have to scroll down a little bit and find the settings button. After tapping on the settings button, almost at the very top of the list there is payments. We find this and tap on it. And here we can proceed by tapping on the add card button at the top. Here we give the details of the card and then save it, and then it is done. We added the card that we wanted. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.